Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. I've had so many requests to redo this nail look from, I think it was 2 years ago. It is the Christmas lights, and I'm going to show you how to do it with no gel, no polish. This is going to be some of the easiest nail art you'll ever do. I am doing these on press-ons, and I'm using this gorgeous milky white color from Beetles. I'm going to throw 2 coats of this over these extensions, curing for a full minute in between, and then I'm going to show you the easiest nail art with the easiest tools to use ever. So I've gotten the 2 coats of polish on. Now I'm going to throw on a matte top coat. This is a matte gel top coat. This will just protect my color if I have to erase any mistakes I make later on. You can totally use a regular matte polish top coat, or you can use a dip powder dip powder top coat and just buff it matte. So I'm going to get this matte top coat on and cure for a full minute. So I've gotten that completely cured. Here is what they are looking like. This milky white is so beautiful. If you're a gel polish person, this milky white is a must-have. So these are paint pens. I have not used them in so long. I've had these for close to 3 years now, and we're going to see if they still work. They are just paint pens. And I can't believe how easy and quick this nail art was with these paint pens. If you're concerned about thin lines or not being able to use a brush or not wanting to use gel, these are going to be a fabulous alternative for you for nail art. And I'm going to show you exactly how I use them. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to grab a few colors. We're going to go traditional Christmas here. So I'm going to grab the red, the blue, the yellow, the green, and then I'm going to grab black for the line. So I'm going to start off with the line first. You're supposed to shake the pen and then prime it by pressing down. I've used the black already before, so I didn't need to prime this. So we were good out the gate. But I have a palette sitting in the top right corner over there. Just one of my resin palettes. I'm going to use that a little bit later to make sure the brushes are primed on these pens. Not brush, you know, the pen tip. And I'm going to start drawing the lines out. Look how smooth and easy the lines are going to go on. I'm telling you, this was so fast and so easy. So I'm going to move on and draw the lines on all of the nails, and then we're going to get in with the Christmas lights. I'm going to show you how to prime this pen real quick. You're going to shake it and shake it and shake it like a Polaroid picture. Then we're going to press it on the resin palette, and that is going to help that paint flow from the base of the marker to the tip of the marker, and then we're going to be ready to go. So I'm going to do the Christmas lights, and I'm kind of going to do this in a pattern, so I'm going to do one on each nail, and then I'm going to follow suit with the rest of the colors, one after the next after the next. And I'm kind of doing these in like what looks like a light bulb, kind of like a pointed teardrop, if you will. You can do, you know, little Christmas balls if you want, whatever shape you decide you want to do. It is your nail. This is where your creativity really comes in, and you can do whatever you want on it. So I'm going to do this on each of the nails. I'm going to go on to the next color. So now I'm going to get in with the blue. I'm going to prime this the exact same way, and I'm going to place the blue after the red on each of the nails, and we're going to go so on and so on and so on with the rest of the colors. So now that I've gotten all of the Christmas lights done, we're gonna let this dry. This is air dried. They dry down pretty quick, actually, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and they were all completely dry. And I'm gonna show you how easy this is to clean off. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Young Nails Swipe solution, which is essentially a dehydrator. It's like acetone plus alcohol. That's what you would normally use to dehydrate. And I'm going to wipe this off my palette, and it came off beautifully. So if you need to clean up mistakes, a little bit of alcohol or acetone will do the trick. So once they are completely dry, I'm just going to top coat them. I'm going to use the same matte top coat that I used before. You could do a glossy top coat if you wanted to. You can do a regular polished top coat, or if you wanted to encapsulate this with a clear dip powder, you can do that too. Just take your base coat, dip into the clear powder, and then you can do whatever kind of top coat you want over this. But I like the matte, especially over a nail design. I feel like matte really shows off that nail art instead of having a glare from a glossy top coat. So we're going to get the matte all over the nail, and then I'm going to put these on my nails. So I let that matte top coat cure for a full minute. Now I'm going to do the install on my own nails. If you want a very detailed video on how I attach press-ons or extensions, I'll make sure to leave that video up in the cards, but I'm just going to glue these onto my nails. I am wearing peel-off base coat, but if you want your nails to last you a long time, I would recommend doing natural nail prep. I'll leave my nail prep video up in the cards for you to check out as well. So here is what the full set looks like. I am in love. They're so adorable. You guys will have to let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to see more of these paint pens. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.